Hello everyone, welcome to the first tutorial of RichGoon, your own paper trading bot platform. Today I'm going to show you how you can automate your strategy on the web app. I'm also going to show you why paper trading bot is important before automating your strategy in real time. So let's get started. First, create an account if you haven't already. Let me do it quickly. So, once you sign up, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Here you can monitor your bots and their performances. So to create a paper trading bot, first we need to add some balance to our account. So head to the exchanges option and click on Paper Binance. Then click Deposit. Enter the amount you want to deposit. Here I'm going to add 1,000 USDT. Select the transfer mode as bank transfer. Now click Confirm. So now, as you can see, our deposit is completed. Adding a paper balance to your account gives a more realistic feel, so I just created it that way. Now head to the menu and click on Bots. Now, as you can see, we don't have any active bots. So click on Create Bot. Now for setting up your bot, give your strategy a name. I'm going to enter my strategy. And in exchange, select Paper Binance. Now choose a trading pair from the list. I'm going to choose meme USDT. Select the investment amount. I'm going to select all the amount that we added, that is 1,000 USDT. Now click on Start Bot. Let's wait for it to show up in the active bots. As you can see, our bot is created, so click on it. The bot stats will be shown in the right pane. In this empty area, you'll see the monthly performance chart of the bot. So it will show up here once our bot closes at least one long or short position. Now in the bot stats, select TradingView settings. We're going to use these settings shown here in our strategies alert. Now let's open TradingView. I'm going to search for meme USDT. Just make sure you're using the same pair that you've used in your bot. You can use any of the exchange listed here, but the trading pair should be the same. We're using meme USDT in our bot, since we're using the Binance API in our web app to get the prices, so I'm going to choose Binance. So you can see this is a 15-minute time frame chart. Let's move to the strategy tester. Now we need to add a strategy to our chart. So let's do this. I'm going to add my RichGoon Flutter Fortune strategy. Let's check the input settings. First, in the properties, choose the capital that you've added in your bot to match the backtesting results with our web app. I'm going to skip the commission for now. And in the input settings, I'm going to leave the settings as default. As you can see, I have custom alerts for automation in my strategy, so I'm going to use the keywords given in the bot settings here. Let me show you how. Here, for the long entry, we will enter the keyword buy, and for the short entry, we will be using the keyword sell. For long and short exit, it is close. For long and short take profit, we will use TP. For the stop loss of long and short trades, we will use SL. And we have 3 optional take profit levels, TP1, TP2 and TP3. So let's enter these keywords in our strategy alert inputs. As the keywords are case sensitive, make sure you're using the exact keyword. So I've entered all the keywords here. Let me go through it once to make sure it is correct. Now click OK. And now let's create an alert for this strategy. Go to Notifications. Make sure to enable the webhook URL. Just copy it from the bot settings and paste it here. Similarly, let's copy the alert message and paste it in the alert message box. So we're going to delete this and paste it here. Let's give a name to this alert. Let's say RichGoon Trading Bot. I'm also going to enter the pair name and time frame as well. Now, let's create this alert. As you can see, our alert is now active. Just making sure everything is all right. And we have successfully set up our TradingView alert as well for our paper trading bot. Our bot is now active and ready to receive the signals from TradingView. Once it opens a position, it will show up here. So once again, let me show you the custom alert inputs of our strategy. Now I'm going to show you how to create these custom alert messages for your own strategy. Let's hide this strategy first and add another strategy to the chart. I'm going to use this strategy, which was shared by one of my fellow friends on Discord. As you can see, this strategy doesn't have any custom alert inputs, so let's create some input alerts for this strategy. Let's go the source code. So this strategy is a simple strategy that uses relative strength index conditions to open a long and short trade. So we have a total of 4 conditions here. The entry condition for long, the exit condition for long, the entry condition for short, and the exit condition for short. So let's create 4 input custom alert messages. We have the last input here, so let's add our inputs here. Adding up a section for custom alert messages. Let's start with the variable. Alert text entry long equals input dot text area default value empty, giving this input a title. Let's say long entry message. Now let's create a similar alert for short entry. So we've created inputs for long and short entry alerts. Now let's create inputs for exit alerts as well. So we're done with our inputs. Now let's add these alerts into the strategy entry and exit functions. So let's do this. Here it will be alert message equals alert text entry long. Now for the exit, the alert message will be alert text exit long. Similarly, for the short entry, assign the alert message alert text entry short. And for the strategy.exit for short, the alert message will be alert text exit short. So we have done the required changes in the script. I'm going to add a comment for better understanding. Here will be our long entry, the long exit, the short entry, and this is the short exit. And now save the script. Let's check the input settings of our strategy. So we have our inputs here for alert messages. So we have our strategy ready to be used with our paper trading bot. Now let's move to the strategy tester. I'm going to choose a 5-minute time frame. Let's automate this for meme USDT. Move to the RichGoon web app and create a new bot. So again, enter a name for your strategy. Choose the exchange Paper Binance. Now choose a trading pair from the list, which is the meme USDT. Choose the investment amount. So let's start the bot. Click on Confirm. Let's wait for the bot to finish initialization. Our bot is active now, so click on it. Select the TradingView settings from the right pane. Now enter these keywords in our custom alert inputs. For long entry, we have buy. For short entry, it is sell. And for long and short exit, we will be using close. So let's put these in our strategy inputs. Now also change the capital amount in properties. We've used 1000 USDT in our bot. Let's save these settings. So our last trade is closed. Let's move to strategy tester. And create an alert from here. Move to notifications. Make sure to enable the webhook URL. Just copy it from the bot settings and paste it here, which we already have. Similarly, copy the alert message from the bot settings. Paste it in the alert message box. Give a name to this alert. And create the alert. Let me show you once again. As you can see, our alert is now active. Our paper trading bot is now ready to receive signals, which is going to show up here once it opens a position. So let's wait for the entry alert. As we have received two alerts, one for the sell and other for the close. Let's have a look at our bot. So we have our position closed, so it will show up in the orders. Here is our first trade of the bot with 22 USDT returns. So we closed in profits. And our monthly bot performance chart will show up like this. Let's have a look at the backtesting results in TradingView. So it is 25.96 USDT in our last short trade. But in our paper trading bot we got 22.06 USDT. As we're using a 0.1% commission in our trading bot, let's add it in our strategies properties. It still gave us 23.02 USDT with 0.1% commission. And we just received another sell signal here. And it is going to show up in the positions. As you can see, our bot opened a sell position. So this is how it is going to work in real time. So as for the previous trade, we can see a difference of approximately 1 USDT in real time and TradingView backtest. This is how important it is to test your strategy using a paper trading bot before automating it with real money. I just showed you the real-time example of the difference between actual execution of your trades and the TradingView backtesting results. I have gone through this already. I lost all of my capital in trading bots that were my only savings from my hard-earned money. So it was a lesson to me. This is when I created this paper trading bot web app, and I'm still looking out for the best strategy. I have more than 20 bots running on different strategies. So this is all about the tutorial of how to set up your paper trading bot on RichGoon web app using your own strategy. I'm sure you will like this web app, which is very essential for testing out your strategy in real time without actually risking your money. So in the upcoming updates, I'll be giving some best strategies here in the strategies tab. Here you'll get all the best inputs suitable with the best performing pairs, which will save a lot of time. We have the commodities section coming up in the next update for metals such as gold and silver, so you can test out your strategy on the first paper trading bot in MT5. I will share the updates on our RichGoon Discord server. I hope you liked this tutorial, so thank you for watching this video.